Have you ever wondered what your dog would say if it could actually talk? Or maybe you wanted to create funny videos where your cat tells jokes, your parrot gives advice, or your pet becomes the star of your social media. With AI, that's now possible in just a few minutes. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn any animal photo into a realistic talking animal using Zoice. We'll create the avatar, upload an audio file, generate realistic lip sync, and then finish everything by syncing the original audio to create the final video. So, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is visit zoice.com. Once the homepage loads, you'll find the sign in button in the top right corner. Click on it and you'll be taken to the login page where you can either sign into your existing account or create a new one if you're using Zoice for the first time. If you already have an account, simply enter your email address and password to sign in. You can also click Continue with Google, which is the quickest way to access your dashboard. Since I already have an account, I'll simply continue with Google. If you're new, click on Sign Up. Creating an account only takes a minute. Simply enter your name, email address, and password or sign up directly using your Google account. Once your account is created, you can immediately start creating AI avatars and videos. Since I've already signed up, I'll head back to the sign-in page and continue with my Google account. After logging in, you'll arrive on the dashboard. Now we're going to create our talking animal avatar. From the left-hand sidebar, click on Avatar Characters. This is where all of your avatars are stored. Whether you create one avatar or dozens of them, this section helps you manage everything in one place. You'll also be able to reuse your avatars for future videos without creating them again. Once you're inside the Avatar Characters page, we're ready to create a new avatar. Now click on Create New. This opens the avatar creation page. Here, you'll notice two different options. The first option allows you to upload an image from your computer, while the second lets you generate an entirely new image using an AI prompt. For this tutorial, I'll upload an existing animal image. For this tutorial, I'm going to use a cute dog image, but you can use almost any animal you'd like. Whether it's a dog, cat, rabbit, horse, bird, or even your own pet, the process is exactly the same. If you're uploading your own pet image, make sure it's clear, front-facing, and has good lighting. A high-quality image usually produces much more realistic facial expressions and lip sync results. Now I'll give my avatar a name so it's easy to identify later. Once everything looks good, I'll click Generate Avatar. Zoice will now process the image and create my talking animal avatar. After a few moments, the avatar is ready. You'll now see it inside the Avatar Characters section. Simply click on the avatar you've just created. This opens the avatar profile where you can generate videos, upload additional images if needed, and manage your avatar settings. For this tutorial, we'll move directly to creating our talking animal video. Now I'll click on Generate Video. This opens the video generation workspace where everything comes together. By default, Zoice opens the Generate from Script interface. However, since we're using our own voice recording, we're going to switch over to Generate from Audio instead. The Generate from Audio feature allows your talking animal to speak using your own audio. You have two different options here. You can either upload an existing audio file from your computer or record your voice directly inside the editor. If you've already prepared a funny dialogue or voice recording, simply upload it. If not, you can record your voice right here without leaving the platform. For this tutorial, I'm going to upload my audio file. Once it's uploaded, Zoice will use that audio to generate realistic facial expressions and accurate lip sync for my talking dog. Next, let's configure the output settings. Since I'm creating this video for Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts, I'm going to select the 9:16 aspect ratio, which is the ideal format for vertical short-form videos. You can also choose the video resolution depending on the quality you'd like before moving to the next step. Now I'll click on Action Prompt. This opens a new window where I can either write my own custom action or choose one of the suggested prompts. These prompts help control the avatar's facial expressions, head movement, and overall performance, making the final animation feel much more natural. I'll simply select one of the suggested prompts, click Add Action, and then Continue. Once everything has been configured, I'll click Generate. Before generating the final video, Zoice first creates an audio preview. This is a great feature because it lets you listen to the voice and make sure everything sounds exactly the way you want before spending credits on the final video. Take a moment to preview the audio. If everything sounds good, simply click Generate Avatar Video. Now Zoice begins generating the talking animal video. Depending on the length of your audio and the settings you've selected, this may take a few moments. While it's processing, you'll be able to see the progress directly on your screen. Once the generation process is complete, your talking animal video will be ready to preview. Before downloading it, take a moment to watch the entire video and check that the lip sync, facial expressions, and overall animation look the way you expected. If you're happy with the result, simply click the download button to save the video to your device. If you'd like to make any changes, you can always go back, adjust your audio, action prompt, or output settings, and generate the video again. And that's it. This was the complete process of creating a talking animal using Zoice. Now let's take a look at the final result. I'll show you the first 15 seconds of the generated video. If you'd like to watch the complete version, you can find the full video linked in the description below. Let's watch the final result.
Hey there, my name is Margot, and yes, I'm the cutest dog you'll meet today. I love playing fetch, chasing tennis balls, and getting belly rubs. Whenever my human opens the treat jar, I'm the first one to come running. Life is simple. Eat, play, nap, and repeat.
That's how easy it is to turn a simple animal photo into a realistic talking video. Give it a try with your favorite pet or any animal you like, and let me know how it turned out in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.